In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete meals on MyFitnessPal with this easy guide. Whether you're cleaning up your meal log or making changes to your diet, following these simple steps will help you effectively manage your entries. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone or tablet. This is where you'll have easy access to all of your dietary information and logs. Once the app is open, you'll find the option to log in, usually located on the main screen. Go ahead and click on the login button. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. Be sure that you're using the correct credentials associated with your MyFitnessPal account. After entering the necessary information, click on the login button once again to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here, you'll find various options to navigate through your dietary records and settings. To begin the process of deleting a meal, look towards the upper left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open up your profile menu, where you can manage different aspects of your account. Inside your profile menu, you'll want to locate the Recipes, Meals, and Foods section. Clicking on this will bring you to the area where you can manage and review your saved food items. In this section, you'll see options to explore various saved items. Click on Meals to move forward. Upon entering the Meals area, you'll see a list of meals that you've previously logged or saved. Browse through this list to find the specific meal that you wish to delete. Once you've located it, click on the name of the meal to open its details. Now that you have the meal open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Clicking on these dots will present you with additional actions you can perform on this meal. Among the options that appear, you'll see Delete Meal. Select this option to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will typically appear, asking for confirmation to ensure you really want to delete this meal from your log. At this point, you simply need to confirm your choice by clicking on Delete. By doing so, the meal will permanently be removed from your MyFitnessPal account, and there you have it, a straightforward way to manage and delete meals from your MyFitnessPal logs. Being able to customize your meal entries is key to keeping your dietary records precise and helpful in reaching your fitness goals. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.